Here I am again, guys. Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. This time we're demonstrating an AM-8 track out of a 70 Dodge Challenger. It's now an AM-FM 8-Track with Bluetooth and a heck of a lot more output power because the customer adopted a new harness instead of the original connectors. So let's go ahead and turn it on and make sure everything works before we send her back. I've got it set to AM at the moment to the one strong station I get.
Tommy, thank you.
And while we've got it on talk radio, we're going to demonstrate our balance and fader controls.
Caller, listen every day.
Okay,
for sure.
Wonderful.
Balance right,
I'm going to make
balance
a couple
left,
of points to
right,
answer the big question
left.
of why I think this would all be going.
Okay, I'm going to
You know,
activate
in
the
different cultures,
the virtual
legal age
front
of-
rear
of
fader.
girls, of women, is a lot lower than the U.S.
Fader adjust.
Okay,
You know,
so
Australia,
now we're
16,
adjusting front,
yeah,
all the way
yeah,
rear,
a lot of
front,
places overseas
rear.
is even lower,
Okay, I'm
12
gonna
to
center 'em.
14. I think a big motivation.
Fader.
fader set.
the legal
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Talk about the
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so we know the Bluetooth is working. Okay, let's move over to FM, which we do by turning the unit off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. And I've got all 5 preset sets of stations in my area for a quick test.
de Monseñor Jorge Lozano, quien concluye su...
It's super fun. If I had
Okay, let's try the 8-track. Okay, blank spot there. Okay, we're coming up on an automatic track change, so there we go. Okay, we're going to pull on the plunger, which will release the tape so you can pull it out, and the radio comes back. Okay, make sure the dial light works. And it does. I can see it, but you probably can't. So she's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio here, and you just seen what I can do to an old AM 8-Track. I can make it into an AM FM 8-Track with Bluetooth. Depending on how much you want to spend, USB, HD radio, and every conversion I do includes an aux input also, a wired aux input. So, to reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about my prices, options, and turn times, because all that information is in the work order right there. So, after you've read the work order, if you still want to call me, it's just to have a couple-minute chat, make sure you can trust me, make sure I'm a good guy, stuff like that. So, please do that type of homework before taking me off the bench with a phone call, because this is where the work gets done. I can't get any work done on the phone, guys. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Paul, for your business all the way from, looks like Johnstown, Colorado, and we'll see you guys next time.